In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use air cracking to crack WEP and WPA2 passwords. So to start, I'm going to check what devices I have and which device I'm going to use. So the first one, WLAN 0, is my Railing Technology device. It's a driver RT2800 USB. So this is the device I use in monitor mode so I can actually carry out air cracking commands. The other device is a built-in wireless device, which I use to connect to the internet, but that one doesn't support monitor mode, so I'm going to ignore it again for this video. So to start off, we do airmon ng check to see what's running, and then check kill before we put it into monitor mode, so there are no processes that might interfere with us. And now we'll do arrow dump -ng -c6. So this is the channel, and then WLAN 0 mon. And before I do that, I have to do airmon ng start WLAN 0. So I need to actually put it into monitor mode first before I actually dump any information from it. So now it's in monitor mode. I can double check that by typing iwconfig. And if I find the device WLAN 0 mon, it shows monitor as the mode. And now I can arrow up back to my other command, arrow dump ng c6 WLAN 0. So it's going to be on channel 6, which is where this access point HAL 2400 is communicating on. And I have two windows open here for this video. So I have a monitor going here, and it's good to have one for dumping information or monitoring, and the other one for replaying or injection. So in this case, I'm going to test the injection. So air EPLAY, so air replay -ng --test -b, and now I need to put the address in, and I can just select it from the other window, the one for HAL 2400. So it's 10:6F:3F:0C:29:C0. I'll paste that into my other command, -e HAL 2400, just to be exact, and then WLAN 0 mon, so the same device. And it just tests that injection is working. So the neat thing is once I start this, the result is reflected on the other side. So in my air monitoring, I see the result. And then in my air replay, I see that the injection is working and I see the results of the injection. But in order to use air cracking, we need to dump it to a file. So I'll stop the arrow dump, and now I'll run arrow dump -ng -c6 --bssid, and then I'll paste in the bssid -w, and now this is to write to a file.